Hey gang, Owen here from 90 Right. We're here today to talk about our flat fold fire pit. Brand new product we just came out with. We're super excited. Let's get into it. Okay guys, we're gonna set it up now. I've got the 90 Right branded foot of the fire pit here in the front, obviously for the video. And the easiest way to do this, if it's just you, is to grab one with the feet, grab one of the down sides, grab the other down side, and then really it's just about working your way around the fire pit. It does fan out as you set it up, so keep that in mind as you're doing it. And remember, you just have 3 of each style side. So 3 feet and then 3 sides. And this is a total dry set system, so you don't need any tools to do it. As you're setting up the sides, you're gonna wanna do the bottoms before you do the tops. It's easier to slide them in. Finally, you get your last side on. And this is what obviously ties it all together. You know, it's easier to do it if you have one person helping hold up the sides, but as you can see, it's very easy to do by yourself. And then finally, your base plate. Now you can see your base plate has tabs. Those tabs go into the corresponding holes on the sides here of the 90 Right pit. Once that falls into place, you kind of shimmy it a little, and that's going to settle that center plate so that it's nice and secure, so that you have the best fire pit experience. Now, again, it's 3 feet, so it should be very stable. It should find a plane no matter where it's sitting. And these are all breathe holes for oxygen for the fire. It's going to run a very efficient, warm, hot fire, as opposed to something that you set up on the ground. A lot more airflow is able to get in. And generally speaking, it's much easier to start the fire. And then again, it's the same process to take it down, folds flat, maybe wrap it in a, some kind of blanket that you would sit on by the fire, and pack it away for the winter, pack it away for camping. It's 49 pounds by itself, but it folds very flat, so it's easy to assemble and easy to pack away. And obviously, as you are using your fire pit for nightly fires, we've designed this bottom plate to have grab plates here. Of course, don't grab it when it's hot, but the next morning or after the fire has cooled off, you can use these grab plates to easily pull this right out of your pit and obviously dispose of any substance that you don't want in the bottom there. And that helps for, when you start a new fire, not having any wet sediment in the bottom, or when you're packing it away in your garage or vehicle. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe below to get the latest products that we're coming out with, tips and tricks for your outdoor living experience. Thanks again.